Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab printer not found on network, Wi-Fi and LAN connection troubleshooting. Fix 1. Restart your devices. Turn off your Bambu Lab printer using the rear power switch. Then shut down your computer and restart your Wi-Fi router. Now wait for 30 seconds. Turn the devices back on in this order. First the router, then the computer, followed by the printer. Now open Bamboo Studio and check if the printer appears on the network. Fix 2. Verify the network connection. Confirm both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, the same SSID. If your router broadcasts separate 2.4 and 5 GHz networks, connect the printer to the supported network and ensure your computer can communicate with it. Avoid connecting the printer to a guest Wi-Fi network as guest networks typically block device-to-device communication. Fix 3. Refresh your Bamboo Lab account. Sign out of Bamboo Studio, then sign out of the Bamboo Handy app. After that, sign back in using the same Bamboo Lab account on both the devices. Now refresh the device page and check if the printer is detected. Fix 4. Check the printer's network status. Verify that the printer has successfully connected to your network and received an IP address. X1/X1 carbon. Go to settings, then go to network and confirm an IP address. For example, 192.168.x.x is displayed. P1P/P1S. Go to settings, then go to WLAN and ensure the IP address is not 0.0.0.0. A1/A1 mini. Go to settings, then go to WLAN/network and confirm the printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Fix 5. Rebind the printer. Open the printer's QR account screen. Launch the Bamboo Handy app, then tap device and select plus or scan icon. Now scan the QR code shown on the printer and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone during pairing process. Fix 6. Check router and firewall settings. Disable AP isolation or client isolation in your router settings if enabled. Now ensure the printer is connected to your main network rather than a guest network. Then temporarily disable your firewall or third-party antivirus such as AVG, Avast, or Cisco AnyConnect to determine whether it is blocking Bamboo Studio. If the printer appears afterward, add Bamboo Studio to your firewall's allowed applications. Fix 7. Use LAN only mode optional. Enable LAN only mode from the printer's network/WLAN settings. Note the access code displayed on the printer. Now open Bamboo Studio and go to Device. Select Other Devices and choose your printer. Now enter the access code when prompted to complete the connection. Fix 8. Test the network connection. If the printer still isn't found, check the printer's IP address from the network settings. From your computer, ping the printer's IP address. If the ping fails, the issue is likely with your router or local network rather than Bamboo Studio. Consider assigning the printer a static IP address in your router's DHCP settings to prevent future IP changes. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.